Hey, it's Emmanuel from Tech Insomnia, and today I'm going to show you how to perfectly apply a screen protector to any smartphone. So the first thing you're going to want to do, first step, is to wear gloves because these are going to prevent fingerprints from getting in between the screen protector and the screen itself. I've got a OnePlus 8T here, ready to go, factory reset. Next thing you're going to want is a very high quality screen protector kit. Now, when I say kit, I mean not just the screen protector. I mean the screen protector that comes with one of these frames. This is going to make it very easy for me to get the screen protector perfectly centered in the exact spot where I want it to be. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up screen protector kit. And the nice thing about these kits is a lot of them are going to come with a lot of the things that you need in order to do this successfully. So here we've got the frame, which is going to help me get the actual tempered glass screen protector centered. We've got some accessories here, and we've got the actual screen protector itself. Really nice. So this is a nice little sticker here for the back if you wanted to add this, which is kind of nice. Got kind of like a white sort of like carbon fiber theme going here. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to clean the screen. Okay. Some of them will come with these gels. I mean, you can use it if you like. Perfect. So we can see here the steps, right? 1, and then 3. I guess we're missing number 2. That's okay. I'm just going to... One thing to do before getting started, power down your device. This will keep the screen black so that the screen isn't turning on, so that we can kind of see some of these particles. Here we can see a little bit of fingerprint right here. We just want to thoroughly clean the screen. Make sure we get all the marks, particles, everything off the screen that we possibly can. So we've got it nice and clean now. You can flip over. I can see I got rid of that fingerprint pretty well. Okay. Now you can go ahead and use the dust removal sticker, which will usually work like this. So you see how there's a particle right there. Boom, gone, 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 gone. Now you're going to carefully place the frame, and you see how this one says top. So this one will go here. Now, right before I lay the actual screen protector itself, I just want to kind of look over and make sure that there's no particles that I can see anywhere near the actual screen. So I'll just go over it with it one more time. Okay, I got a particle there, I got another one there. Now before the fact is really where this sticker comes in, because I could see some particles kind of got on there. Firmly press the frame in place. Now we're going to go from the top, center it. Allow it to drop, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run my finger here from the top all the way down to the bottom. And this is basically creating that space so that once I remove, the air can kind of pass through, right? Now I'm just going to go with my finger. Now one of these tools here that doesn't actually come with this kit is really good to have. And this is kind of like a spudger. This one's officially made by OnePlus. What this is going to allow me to do is it's going to allow me to really get those air bubbles out of there. You see how good that was? You can push this one out right up to the edge. Take your time. Sometimes it can take a little bit of time to get it perfect. Flip the phone over. Just try and push those air bubbles out. Yeah, you see I got that one. There's this one here in the corner that just doesn't want to seem to come out. Seems like that's the best I can get it right there in the corner. See, we got some little dots here. Let's see if we can get rid of those. Gone. Turned out pretty well. You can just use that original wipe now to kind of get some of the particles or dust off the top if you got any accumulated. And there you have it. Pretty well done. You can see from the edges, we kind of did a really good job. Really hope these tips helped someone in order to get their screen protector on their phone. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching and appreciate all the support. Hope you guys found value, and I'll see you in the next one.